Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, Subsistence Traveling. I'm your host Jay, and today we're talking about 6 sectors that you should invest in now. Okay? And from now on, once per week, I will strive to do a videos like this. Now, the purpose of these videos are to provide my perspective and to provide my outlook on the economy and the markets. All right? So the first sector is financials. The stocks that would benefit the most are banks, alternative asset managers, such as private equity firms, hedge funds, venture capital firms, also consumer finance companies and insurance companies. All right, they'll benefit from an increased demand for credit, which has been provided by this crisis, consumer price inflation, which we'll see after the crisis, and rising interest rates, which we're already seeing. So the next sector to benefit will be energy, and the stocks that will benefit the most are oil and gas storage companies, oil services companies, refiners, integrated oil companies, pipelines, and some clean energy. This may even be the breakout for clean energy. They'll benefit from a demand for electricity, which continues to increase. The economy will get more productive, geopolitics, and just a simple fact that companies are going to have to pump more oil. So the next sector is technology. And the stocks that benefit the most here would be semiconductors, robotics, AI, and automation. All right, so they'll benefit from the need for faster devices, automation, and basically just the move to a digital economy. All right, so one of my favorite sectors is materials. And the stocks that will benefit the most here would be chemicals, fertilizers, metals and mining, basically companies that mine metals, lumber, and cement. Okay. Now, this sector will benefit because it provides the inputs that we use on a daily basis. All right. This here comes communications. And the stocks that will benefit the most will be telecom, media, and basically content providers. All right. They'll benefit from the need for improved telecom networks. For example, the rollout of 5G is going to be very big. And another reason will be because content becomes more valuable in downturns. Basically, people have nothing else to do but to either play on their phone or watch TV. All right, so last but not least are the industrials. And the stocks that will benefit the most are the conglomerates, like your Siemens and so forth, construction and engineering, transports, I forgot to put the home builders. Okay, they'll benefit from a housing shortage, supply chain changes. So, okay, you're going to see a lot of changes in the supply chain after this crisis. And also infrastructure. I believe we're going to also see, they plan on doing an infrastructure bill. So we'll see how that turns out. And so my final thought, the broad market may continue heading down. So only buy when the market or the particular stock is down. There are very high valuations in the technology, industrials, and some of the communications. Okay, so you have to bear that in mind. However, you have very attractive valuations in energy, financials, and some of the materials. Okay, so you just have to really do your research and you'll see where the opportunities lie. Also, biotechnology and food may also outperform in this environment. This is a risk-based environment. This environment that's coming up it's more about risk. Okay, so biotechnology may do very well after this crisis. All right, so guys, I hope I was able to provide some valuable information to you. As always, I encourage you to like, share, and subscribe. And as I always say, Peace to all.